Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. Today we are opening day 19. Yep, day 19. Chapstick? No. Maybe a bobbin or so? I don't know. My guess is, who knows? Who knows what I'm guessing? Oh, ribbon. Oh, chenille it. Okay. So you know how this works. You lay this down on your project, stitch down the center of it, and then when you wash it, it kind of rags. It's a lot of fun. Chenille it is a lot of fun. I've used it in projects, but I don't think I've ever done a video tutorial on it, so that might be kind of fun to explore. So this is the Missouiri Star Pillow. So you're going to get the pattern for this. You can use 5-inch squares. And guess what fabric they're using in here? It is the 5-inch squares that you got on day 18, right? Because this is day 19, right? Yes, day 19. So here's the fabric from day 18, and I recognized some of these prints. That checkered, the flower background. So if you haven't used day 18's charm pack yet, maybe you have because you're super excited and you're like a go-getter like that, you could grab your charm pack and use it on this cute Missouiri Star pillow. And then you've got the chenille that matches it. Really cute. So that is day 19.